What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is me, Chris_Rex5566, coming at you today with yet another video. And as you can see by the title, this is a little bit of a different video than I normally do, but I felt like I wanted to share this with you guys just because of what's been going on with GPU prices and RAM prices ramping up constantly. Actually, recently GPU prices haven't been too horrible. They've actually been going down a little bit, but still, a lot of GPUs are way over MSRP, which is ridiculous. So today, I am sharing with you my super duper ultra budget gaming computer. And I say gaming because really it's not super great for gaming as it stands right now, but it does get the job done for older games and esports titles. And so what I've got for you today is a Dell Inspiron 660S computer that I took apart and then put back together inside of a Coolermaster Lite Box 3.1 Micro Atx case. And the reason I did this is because it looks super dope. I mean, just look at those RGB fans. Oh, it's amazing. By the way, the RGB fans are from LED Des or LED Des. Not really sure how to say it. I found them on Amazon, and so far I'm really happy with their fans. Their fans are pretty great, so go check them out if you're looking for cheap parts. I got those fans, RGB fans, and RGB strip of lights, 2 strips, all for 20 bucks, which was pretty dope. Now, the computer inside of the case is rocking a G2030 Pentium G2030. It has 3 megabytes of cache, 2 cores, 2 threads, and it is rocking 3.0 gigahertz with a 55 watt TDP, which is not very power hungry, which is pretty great. Inside the case as well, instead of using the power supply that came in the Dell Inspiron, I have put in a Insignia 550 watt power supply. Now the reason I went with Insignia is because I used to work at Best Buy, and so now that I don't work there anymore, I can talk about me working there because I don't work there, if that makes any sense. And so at the time, I was able to get this power supply for extremely cheap. I got it for 25 bucks, which in my opinion is a really great price for a 550 watt power supply. I mean, I can pretty much build any computer really not really any computer, but I could build a pretty beastly computer, and that power supply is only $25, which is pretty nice. And I already mentioned that I have the LED Des fans in there, which are pretty nice, and the light strips, which top the whole thing off with that gaming look with the sweet lights. Now, the fans in the front and the back are not spinning, as you can see in the video, and that is because the motherboard that came out of the Dell Inspiron only has one fan header for the CPU fan. So I'm planning on getting a fan header splitter so that I can get those other fans spinning so I can have proper cooling in my computer. Now, this is pretty dope. I got this computer through my girlfriend, actually. She used to work construction with her dad, and then she found this computer in a house they were working on. She's like, hey, do you want this? And I was like, fuck it, why not? And I was able to get some games running on it, so I was like, hey, I'm just gonna turn this into a budget gaming rig. And overall, all I had to pay for this computer was the power supply, the case, and the lights and fans. So altogether, it comes out to about $85, which is not too horrible for what you're getting with the system. I mean, this system can run games at 720p, older games like League of Legends and League of Legends, Jesus, I can't talk today, and Rocket League and Call of Duty World at War runs pretty well at 720p. Overall, it's just a really great computer, especially for the price. Now, I am planning on upgrading it and putting a GPU in it. I'm just not sure what kind of GPU I want to get, or what will not be bottlenecked inside of this computer, because I am rocking a Pentium CPU. So yeah, I will update you guys on that. I will let you know what's going on with the GPU, and once I decide to get a GPU, I'll throw it in there. I'll get some benchmarks going so you guys can see how this computer can really perform. But for now, this is the $85 ultra budget computer build. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time. A like, comment if you enjoyed the video. Let me know what else I could do, what I could possibly do with the system. I don't know. Maybe I could find like a cheap ass fucking GPU off of eBay or something and throw it in there and see if that'll work. Yeah, let me know what you guys are interested in seeing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, bitches.
Yeah.